turns the lights on and off. And if you press it down, it takes you into the one key return. And also, down pressing the pitch will take you into the headless mode. And here is a comparison with the bigger brother, the DM007 Spy quadcopter. Now let's go check it out. Okay. Really nice. Very stable in the low mode. There's the yaw on the low rates there. Oops, oops. Oops, oops. And there's the roll. And the pitch. Okay, let's go to high. Okay, having a little weight distribution kind of problem too, this one. It goes down in altitude once I start going. Okay, and there's the yaw. Bring it in a little closer here. All right, let's do some flips. There's the rear flip, front flip, side flip, and left side flip. Okay, there's the funnels on high, but it drops in altitude. And little speed passes here. Yep, drops in altitude after making that turn. Okay, now let's see the headless mode. Yep, right, left, forward, and backwards. Okay, let's get out of the headless and see the one key return. Yep, the one key return works fine. Really nice. Let's see how speedy it is. It has a 100-meter distance, it says. Wow. Okay, look, so let's check out what it does after it hits 100 meters. If it does go as far as 100 meters. Oops, got it. Okay, turn the power off on the transmitter. And the power shuts down, so you won't have a flyaway with this one either. Alright, let's see how long this thing lasts. It says it has 6 to 8 minutes of battery time. Let's see if it does. Yep, flips on the fly. Oops, that was a forward flip. Okay, getting a little bit sluggish already. Having a hard time going up in altitude here. Again, it goes down in altitude one more time. I have to wait until it goes up before I can bring it in. Okay, has gone down Let's see if I can bring it back up. Yeah, the battery is ready to go. All right. Yep. The lights are flashing. Okay, check out some indoor moves of the DM003. The beginning half life of the battery while flying, it has lots of power, but the second half kind of slows down. Okay, high speed rate.